Okay, number 21 and 23 happen to be asking essentially the same thing, which is what color is a certain figure. There are other problems in this set that would ask about the shape. Now, just to talk about the shape real quick, you can see that there is a set of four repeating. There's the circle, the triangle, the square, and the star. So since there's four, what you would do is say, okay, every fourth one is going to be a star, and I would look at whatever number they were asking for, and I would divide it by four and say, if it's perfectly divisible by four, then it's going to be a star, right? Because the fourth, the eighth, the 12th, etc., will be stars. And then, however much it's off, if there's a remainder when you divide the numbers, you could say if there's a remainder of one, you say one more than a star, it must be a circle, etc. We've done those in class. Okay, but these are colors, and what's happening with the colors is there's a set of three. There's purple, there's red, and there's blue. Okay, so every third is blue, or really kind of, I don't know what you call that, color teal or something like that. Um, so what color is the 15th? Well, the 15th is perfectly divisible by 3. If you said 15 divided by 3, and you get 5 with no remainder, which means the number that they're asking for, the 15th figure, since it's a perfect multiple of 3, it's going to be whatever the third color is because there's only 3 in the set. What is that color? That is teal or blue, or I'm not sure how they would describe it. Teal or blue. And I'm sorry that I don't actually have uh, the answer pages available to me in front of me to be able to check that. So you'll have to check it and verify if I did it right. And please send me an email if I didn't. Um, but I'm late for Mr. Lakai's birthday party, so I want to record these and get them to you. Okay. And then 23 says, what color is the 30th figure? Well, again, if you take 30 and you divide that by 3, because there's 3 colors in the set, you get a perfect multiple of 3. Okay, you don't really need to do that minus 0, but I just wanted to show you that we brought a number down, so we put 1 up. Okay, and so again, since it's a perfect multiple of 3, it's going to be whatever that third one is, and that third one happens to be some kind of teal or blue. I'm not sure what you call it, or you could call it both. It's a teal blue. And I don't claim to know my colors well, so I could be misstating that, but you get the idea. And